Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to remove card on Uber Eats. So let's get into the video. So open up Uber Eats and then log into your Uber Eats account. So once I've logged into your account here, so you're going to do, click on your accounts tab underneath here. So in your bottom right, so click on the accounts tab. When you get to your accounts tab, you'll see a wallet option there. Simply click on the wallet option. So when you click on the wallet option here, so this will, under payment methods, you will see all the payment methods you have added, including any cards that you have added on Uber Eats previously. So all you have to do now is simply scroll down and then select the card that you wish to remove. So for example, here under payment methods, I'm going to select this card here, and then what I have to do now is hit on this remove payment method option. So simply click on it and that will remove your card on Uber Eats. So that's how you remove a card on Uber Eats. It's pretty easy and a straightforward process. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.